Hello students. So today we are going to start practice set 11 standard 6. So in this practice set some points are fractions and given and some are the blank. We need to fill this blank. So before filling this just remember that here the point is 0, 1, then after 1 B, this is point 2. Okay, this is point 2. Now this is 1, 0, 1 and 2, and A and B are the blank columns which we needed to fill. Now observe here, whatever the number which is given in the denominator, the number which is present in the base, it is means that the columns from 0 to 1, that much columns are present. For example, here the base number is 6, right? Base number 6 means that the distance from 0 to 1 is divided into the 6 column, right? We can calculate. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and 6 के ऊपर 1. Now the distance between 1 to 2 is also divided into the 6 column also, because the which started the first, the difference between 0 to 1 should be the same from 1 to 2. Now this is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the base number indicate that how much columns or how much dividation should be there between 2 points. 0 to 1 is divided into the 6 and 1 to 2 is also divided into the 6. So in this way we are going to fill these columns. So the first one is 0 upon 6, this is 1 upon 6. So obviously after 1 it will be 2 upon 6. This is 3 upon 6, this is 4 upon 6, and the A will be 5 upon 6. The column will be 5 upon 6. This is 5. Now this is 6 upon 6, then 7 upon 6, then 8 upon 6, 9 upon 6. And the B column will be 10 upon 6. Right? Now in the next one, here the base number is 5. The base number is 5. Means the distance from the 0 to 1 is 5. Right? The distance from 0 to 1 is divided into the 5 column because the base number is 5. Like we can calculate 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many columns are there? Total 5 columns are there. This is 4 and 5. So let's fill the, if this is 5 upon 4, then this is obviously 4 upon 5, or 4 upon 5 before is, this column will be 3 upon 5, right? Because this is 5 upon 5. After 5, this is 6 upon 5. So the B will be 7 upon 5. Now in the next one, now here the base number is not given to us. Here it doesn't show that 0 to 1 is divided into how much column. So but we can calculate, this is the distance from 0 to 1, right? This is the distance from 0 to 1. Let's calculate this column. How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many columns are there from 0 to 1? Total 7 columns are there. So it means that this is 0 upon 7, 1 upon 7, now 2 upon 7, and the B will be 3 upon 7. 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7, 6 upon 7, 7 upon 7, 8 upon 7, 9 upon 7, and this column will be 10 upon 7. So like this way we have completed our first question. Hello students. So the question number 2 is, show the following fraction on the number line. We have given some fraction number. We need to show this number on a number line. So the first number is 3 upon 5, 6 upon 5, then 2, 3 upon 5. So the base number is 5, which means that we need to draw, or we need to divide 0 to 1 between 5 column. For example, if this is my 0, then I will divide my 0 into 5 column, like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, means this is my 1. Now after 1 again 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this is my 2. After 2 also 5. The distance should be same. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is my 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is my 4. Now the first number which we needed to show, that is 3 upon 5, right? The first number is 3 upon 5. So this is 0 upon 5. This is 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, and this number is 3 upon 5. So you will make a column here and write 3 upon 5. So this is 3 upon 5. After 3, we needed to show 6 upon 5. So this is 4 upon 5, 5 upon 5, and this is my 6 upon 5. Just show here that 6 upon 5. After 6 upon 5, we needed to show 2 3 upon 5. 2 3 upon 5 means that after 2, this is my 2 now. After 2, you need to show 3 upon 5. So if we calculate it from here 2, so this is after 2, this is 1, 2 and 3. So this is my 2 3 upon 5. So this is my 2 3 upon 5. The next one is 3 upon 4, 5 upon 4 and 2 1 upon 4. The base number is 4, which means that we will divide 0 to 1 into 4 columns. So let's draw. If this is my 0 column, then this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be my 1. Here it will be 0. Now again 4 column. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 2. Again 4 column. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is 3. Then again 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is 4. Now and so on. So the first which we are going to show, that is 3 upon 4. So this is 0 upon 4 na. So this is 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4 and this is 3 upon 4. After 3 upon 4, we are going to show 5 upon 4 na. So this is 3 upon 4, 4 upon 4, 5 upon 4. So this number is 5 upon 4. After 5 upon 4, we are going to show 2 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 means after 2 the 1. So this is my 2 and after 2 this is my 1 upon 4. Like this is our 1 upon 4. So in this way we have completed our practice set 11.